Understanding System Update, an essential guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you might often hear in the world of technology: system update. This phrase is not only common in tech conversations but also important to understand in today's digital age. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used. System update is a compound noun made up of two words, system and update. A system refers to a set of connected things or parts forming a complex whole, often in the context of computers and technology. An update is a verb that means to make something more modern or up to date. When we combine these, system update refers to the process of bringing a computer's or device's system up to the latest standards. System updates are crucial for several reasons. They often enhance security, fixing vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Updates also improve functionality, adding new features or improving existing ones. Additionally, they can fix bugs, which are errors in the software that can cause problems in how the system operates. Understanding this term helps you comprehend news and discussions about technology, making you more tech-savvy. You might encounter system update in various scenarios. 1. Operating system updates. Your computer or smartphone will periodically receive updates to its operating system, like Windows, macOS, or Android. 2. Application updates. Individual applications or software on your device also need updates. 3. In the workplace. Understanding this term is helpful in an office setting where system updates can be a routine part of maintaining company technology. That's all for our exploration of system update. Remember, this phrase is all about keeping technology current and functioning at its best. We hope this video helps you in understanding and using this term more confidently. Don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content, and see you in the next video.